3 plus 4 equal 15, 3 plus 5 equal 18, 3 plus 6 equal 21, then 3 plus 9 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. So 3 plus 4 equal 15. Basically, if I'll multiply instead of addition, that means 3 times 4 is 12 and add the first digit, that is 3. So I'll get 15. Similarly, 3 plus 5, we'll do multiplication. 3 times 5, 15 and add the first digit 3, 18. It is also verified. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 3, 21. So what is 3 plus 9? 3 times 9 is 27 plus 3, 30. So what replaces the question mark? 30. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.